So it's actually been confirmed that Sony would be making a major visual change. According to the details, the device would feature a brand new square camera module replacing the long vertical setup we've seen for years. So this actually makes the new Xperia a fresh Xperia. But the bigger story is what's reportedly inside, which is a much larger telephoto sensor alongside a 48MP main camera. If Sony actually gets the image processing right, this could seriously elevate Xperia photography in 2026. The phone is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which makes this a flagship device perfect for gaming, multitasking, video editing. Up front, Sony seems to be keeping its signature identity alive. The device would feature a 6.5-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display, and yes, the device would not have a punch hole camera. The device is still going to have that top bezel design, which some people love for uninterrupted viewing experience. Battery life could also be a strong selling point. According to the details, the device would pack a 5000 mAh cell with 45 watts charging, and Sony is claiming that this device will be able to last for 2 days on a single charge. I find that hard to believe. And just like previous Sony Xperia devices, the device would feature a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microSD card slot. The phone would also ship with the latest Android 16. Now, price is actually the biggest issue here. According to the details, the device would actually launch for about £1,700 in the UK, which makes this device a very expensive device, even compared to many flagships. Anyway, these are the top features of the Xperia 1 Mark 8. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.